Hey everyone, so it's come to the point of no return. There is that much washing here, it is driving me insane. I've done one load already, the undies, another load's in there. We're off grid, and yesterday I was having a shower and all of a sudden, isn't it funny how good ideas come to you when you're having a shower? For me it does anyway. I was in the shower thinking, I'm wasting that much water in the shower for penny drops. When I was a child on a farm, we didn't have very much water and we had to conserve it. So we didn't have a shower, we only had a bath. And after the four of us went through the bath, it was me and my brother when we were little, then my mum, then my dad, all went through the bath. And then with the bath water, Mum would put it in transfer it into the washing machine. And she always saved her washing machine water and reused it again. And then at the end of that went into the toilet to flush it, just to give us a bit more water there as well. So, what I've thought of, we have 4 tanks. There's our thing. We have 4 tanks. We have a drinking water, we have a front tank, a grey tank and a back tank. So what I'm doing, Brad's giving me a hand, is we are filling the grey tank from the back tank. I'm only using 1 tank. Now Brad's going to have to empty that soon into a blue tub. We have this blue tub, it's about 40 litres, we usually use it for rubbish. It won't fit in a little bin. And he's going to fill that with the grey water around the back, and I'll do a video when I show you. He'll empty the grey water into that and then pump that using a little pump that he uses to pump water out of the river, pump it, filter it back into the back tank only, and then I can continue to wash. So I'm basically doing all my washing in the water that's in the back tank, which is 110 litres, but we never get that out of the tank anyways. Okay, so the back tank is down to a quarter. The grey water is still on 3/4, so I've stopped washing. That's 2 loads, so it obviously wasn't quite full. And I'll show you. Here. Around here. Brad has got the grey water emptying. Look at that, it's still clean. It's only got a bit of soap in it, which means I just use less soap next time. And he's got the pump there, and it's not quite hooked up. So what will happen, he'll bring the hose around and it'll go into that water there and start filling the tank for me. So here he comes. No, there he goes. So look how clean that is. That's done 2 loads of, underwear and pants. So what a waste of water. Look how clean that water is. I mean, it's been washing, so it's only going into the back tank to wash again. So that's his little handmade pump.
Look at that. All fits in there. Little ripper.
Homemade it back in Adelaide a couple of years ago now. What a ripper idea, I reckon.
I haven't got many short pieces of hose, so I'm going to have to use all this stuff, but...
Well, you could cut a bit off.
No way.
Oh, no way. It only needs to reach from there to here. No, it'll be right. That little pump pumps water out of the river up to the van.
It's trying to suck through that filter as well.
Yeah, but you haven't got a fine filter. It's a... What is it? 20.
It's got to fill that. Run the pressure for a bit.
Well, you can turn the grey water off if you...
I'll help prime the pump a bit.
Waiting for it to come out somewhere.
Yeah. It's got to fill the filter.
Where's the end of the hose? Ah!
Come on. That's all going to take a bit to start with. Reckon?
There it is, look at that. Wasted my good washing water, look at that.
Yeah, it's fine. That's fine. I need one more hose to go from there to there.
You got?
This stuff is just our spare hose for under the van in case we ever blow. It's only the John Guest sort of stuff. And back tank in there. Shove it into there. Oops. I'm supposed to drop the cap. What's going on?
Where do you put the cap? Up on there.
Right.
You coming this way?
Yeah, just have a look.
Oh.
Now it's primed up.
Oh, look at that! You're wasting it.
What I want to do is test it. No, I bet not.
Why? It's only got detergent in it. You'll have to calibrate probably. But anyway. No, you tested it filtered through though.
Yeah, it's sucking through a filter. About a 20 micron filter. I'll check it, Ange. I'll test it.
Zero and pour. It's got detergent in it. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm going to get my washing done. I'll run out of day. Because this may take a little while. Once I got half a tank in the tank, I'll put a load on.
I don't think it's going to be good.
Well, it'll be interesting. It's filtered, so let's do it.
It'll have a lot of solids in it.
Well, it should. Well, look at it. That's soapy. I don't look. I'll save my laundry liquid. Won't have to put as much in next time.
She's bubbly. Should we wait?
No,
Give
it's
it
not going to get any better. It's just going to. Well,
31 and pour.
Oh, 31. That's not. I thought it'd be 0.
31 and pour.
Yeah, and the creeks around here are 33, 32 and pour.
33 and pour. I wouldn't like to drink it, but
No, you wouldn't. You know what's in that.
probably could if you really had to.
But anyway, that's an interesting test.
This little battery pack runs this pump for days and days and days. It like, I think we're up the river for about 3 weeks and I never charged it. It sucks out, it's using 13 watts now to run that little pump. 13 watts. It's a 40 amp hour lithium pack. This little pump in here is only a small little pressure pump. But yeah, nothing too big. When you're pumping from the river, you just want to just trickle along for a couple of hours. It doesn't have to fill the tank in 10 minutes. That's why I've got a small one. It's got a tank. Fits in a Tupperware container. Leave it outside in the rain, doesn't worry it. Inside that container. And just pumps all day under pressure.
This is cool. And we've still got the front tank that's clean.
Yeah. We've got a drinking water, a shower water, and our washing water.
Wonderful. Look, it's back up to half full. More washing. Yay.
You better do a load because it'll catch up and it'll be...
Yeah. What's it doing, Brad?
I'll just let the bucket fill up a bit.
It's emptying the bucket too fast
Quicker, yeah.
for the pump.
You need to keep the washing machine
The pumps.
Keep the washing machine going.
Hey, that's what I like to hear. So you've opened the grey tank taps all the way up and the pump's still pumping it quicker than what it's filling. And now, look at this. Back tank's 3/4, grey water's 1/4. I better tell him to turn it off. Last time, we've got 20 minutes on the washing machine. And he's turned the pump off because he just said, I need to make the washing machine wash faster. It's on a 29-minute cycle now and I can't make it go any faster.